We got a package in. We got some parts for the Coachmen. And see what we got here. I'm pretty sure I know exactly what's in there. I needed a couple of hose clamps. And, oh, never mind the little package of animal crackers. Okay. Let's see here. I only got one package of these. It's supposed to be 2 packages. I checked my delivery thing. Why? Only one was shipped today. The other was supposed to be delivered tomorrow. Why I ordered at the same time. I ordered 2 packages. I don't know why that happens. And some hose clamps. I checked my. I have a stash of hose clamps. And there they are. 3 or 4. For now, I think that's going to do it for those heat shields on the exhaust. I looked through my stash of hose clamps over here. It's a bit of a stash, huh? I only had one. I don't know if that's it. I think it needs to be a little bit bigger. That's probably it there. I only had one the right size. They come in packs of 4, so I got 4. I'm going to put 2 and 2 up there. Those will get used up. I'll have the one left over. I'm going to run over to O'Reilly's. They were the, yeah, never mind that. O'Reilly's was the only one that had, I shouldn't say the only one. O'Reilly's had the new exhaust manifold bolts. So, had to call around to see who had them in stock. What else? Nothing. I think I need to stop at AutoZone real quick too. Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna look for. I need a special socket that's gonna help save this job. It'd just make life easier if there's just the right socket. There's one I know doesn't exist. Special size. They don't make a 17/32 impact socket, so in 6-point. It's just it's a very obscure item if they do, but I better find something else close. Seeing as AutoZone is on the way, let's go swing in there real quick. Maybe I'll get lucky, and maybe we'll see what O'Reilly's has while they're getting those bolts. And don't let me forget to get the fresh can of PB Blaster either. Remember? How's it go? Get with the zone, AutoZone. What I need is that miracle socket, that certain special socket, which doesn't exist. I need a 17/32 6-point impact. It's non-existent. Nobody makes it. What's the next best thing? 1/2-inch drive. Ain't gonna happen. They don't go into 30 seconds once they're above 1/2 inch. Closest thing's gonna be 13mm. That's 12 point. I have 2 of them, probably 3 of them, probably at least 2 of my sets at home. Should I buy a sacrificial one? Because I have a feeling I'm going to ruin it for what I'm going to be doing. Buy a sacrificial socket. Actually, I might. There's a 13mm 6-point 3/8 drive. 1/2-inch drive. 1/2-inch drive. They go. Ooh, but it's 12-point. It's gotta be 6-point. And that's the bigger 1/2-inch drive. That's kind of what I need. But it's 12-point. So, and the impact sockets only go down to 15mm. I don't have anything smaller. So, I'm just probably gonna brutalize a couple of my own sockets if I have to, and just replace what I ruin somehow. Well, I got my new ignition wires, better known probably as spark plug wires. And there's a little dog in my car, patiently waiting for me. You patiently waiting? Okay. She wants to smell this box. I think you're checking for burgers or tacos. Huh? It passes? Alright, then get over. Come on. Speaking of burgers and tacos, Maybe we'll just go have ham sandwiches. Boring. Gonna sneak in the back way of O'Reilly's. I was just trying to think of the everybody has their own jingle, you know. I couldn't think of the O'Reilly's one. Anybody? Because O'Reilly's. So here we are. All right, here we go. And just a regular can. We're gonna give the rest of them a good soaking. Anything else while we're here? Nope. No on the socket. So I think I found I think I found the next best thing, as close as I'm gonna get online when I get back home. When I get back home, I'll order that. Yeah, get that in. So, in the meantime, I did get my bolts. Where are they? Where are they in my package here? They're trying to get away from me. Okay, there we go. There's 4 in a package. I got 4 packages. That's 16. There's 8 on each side. So we got the right amount. 3/8-16 by 1¼ long, flanged heads. Okay, that's the Dorman Products exhaust manifold bolts. So we have new bolts. We have most of the plugs. We're just rounding up parts. We're just rounding up parts for a little bit. I haven't had time to get back to those 3 stubborn bolts. I haven't even started the other side yet. I got some other things going on. Had to mow grass today. My mom invited me for dinner for what's she having? Stuffed peppers and mashed potatoes. Can't pass that up. I'd rather do that than be fighting rusty bolts. And my oldest son and family's back from vacation. I'm off of dog duty. I was dog sitting. But I want to stop in and visit. And that might make sense of why. So my granddaughter, that's all the animal crackers are for. What else I got going on? Oh, and I've been calling around to making medical appointments. I've had one, and then other calls. I can get a couple more out of the way before I go running away from the area. So you know what that's all about. Had that little incident back in February. So I've been kind of taking care of that in the background. So far, everything's okay. So a few more appointments. It's you know, fingers crossed, knock on wood, that sort of thing. All right. I talk fast enough sometimes. What's next? I think that's it for now. We can leave O'Reilly's parking lot, I guess. Okay, we got out of the parking lot. Other thing about eating at Mom's house, I'll bet you money I get some leftovers to take home. Right? Isn't that good? I did not bring Bella with me today. Stick around if you like seeing Bella. We'll get her in here somewhere. I think I'm gonna stop here at that Lollipop's Pet Grooming by Chrissy, and maybe make an appointment for Bella. Bella could use a spa day, right? All right, we gotta get out of here. I gotta tell you, Chrissy is just such. She's a lot of fun or whatever. I can't tell you. She wants to buy I can't tell you where the conversation went, but it was funny. I used to date her. Okay. She's got this bright idea. She wants to build a mobile grooming. It's been a dream of hers she's wanted to do for a long time. She wants to buy like a tiny bus, a small bus, and build a grooming. She thought about vans because but she thought maybe a small bus, but she wants to build that. She says, maybe you could help me and this and that, and it went on from there. And I'm like, yeah, let's just drop that idea for now, okay? Anyway, I can bring Bella in sometime next week. I'll have to send her a text. It's too funny. All right, am I blushing? All right, let's go. All right, we had to pull over because I think there's an albino deer out there. I hope my phone is good enough quality to catch it. No, the phone's really grainy, but those are deer, and you see the white. Okay, I think somebody else spotted it too. Somebody else up there is pulling over. Yeah, I wish we could get a little bit more focus. I'm gonna have to get off the road here. I didn't pull off the road very well. Kind of like that guy up there did the same thing. Yeah, there it is. See? Can try to zoom in a little bit more. It's probably just gonna get grainier. Wow. Don't see those too often. All right, let's get out of here. All right, we're on our way back. I stopped at my mom's. Oh yeah, it was fantastic. Stuffed peppers and mashed potatoes and cornbread thingies and cream corn. My mom's the only person I know that makes cream corn. We had it growing up a lot. It was good. It's the first time I've had it, like probably since she made it a long time ago. Pumpkin roll. Very, very good. And what else? And it's so typical of my mom to make a little side dish of like pickles and cheese and, you know, sometimes olives, which I don't care for. So it was very typical mother dinner, and it was fantastic. Then she picks me up with some leftovers. You gotta see the bag sitting beside me. Hang on. If only Bella would have seen that deer. She'd never seen an albino deer before. Speaking of Bella, I need to go let her out, get her dinner. So it's getting late in the evening. I've about had it for the day. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow. No wonder I don't get things done. Oh, and it's late enough in the day, I'm not going to make the stop at, the little one's going to have to wait with the animal crackers till tomorrow. I didn't have time to stop over and visit today. So I might do that tomorrow. Like I say, it's raining. It's no wonder my projects take me so long to get done, right? I'm doing family things and just life's necessary tasks and appointments and such. I don't know what to say about that other than thanks, Bob. Let me throw these in the garage real quick. What was that? Oh yeah, PV blaster and my bolts. Alright, as the parts accumulate, I'll be all set to get back on that soon. Soon enough. As soon as I can. Okay, I'm gonna take the animal crackers with us tomorrow. Look at this bag. Look at this bag of big Tupperware thing down there. And I don't know what else in that yet. Big fresh tomato. Oh, I'm gonna strap this over my arm. It's so heavy. It's kind of funny, ain't it? Alright, let's go get Bella. Oh, am I gonna be in trouble with Bella? She's gonna say, what's in the bag? What you got in the bag? What's in there? Anything for me? Are you the door guard? Say nobody comes in here without doing it. I can do a smell check. What do you got there? What do you got in the bag? Let me in, girl. Alright, I'll put that stuff. Come on, girl. Outside. Yeah, I'm sure you need to go out. Come on. Come on, girl. You never guess what I saw. No, where are you going? We are not going anywhere. Come on. You need to go do your stuff. Yeah, what are you... I seen deer. I seen a special deer. I seen an albino. You don't even know what that is. Never seen one. Where's the bad deers? Go, go, go. Where's the bad deers? I don't see any out this evening. Not here. It'll probably be out later, early in the morning. Typical evening around here. Traffic dying down. Still a little bit, some people out, but you feel better? Did you take care of stuff? Right. Go. You are such a good girl. All right, go on. You can go in the high weeds to take care of other stuff, other matters. Other business happens in the high stuff. I mowed all that grass out there today. All this got mowed today. And there was a countdown of how many more times I got to mow it this year before we're out of here. Not a whole lot more, many times. It's a lot of grass. You ready for your dinner? I'm ready to get my shoes off and relax this evening. I'm gonna shut her down, girl. Call it a day. The sun is gone. The sun says, I'll see you tomorrow, maybe. So on that note, I'll lock up half the garage and I'm gonna call it a night. To take care of my girl. Let my buddy finish locking up the garage. I'm gonna kick my shoes off and maybe put some TV on as soon as I get these things put away in the refrigerator from my mom. Thanks, Mom. I'll see y'all next time, okay?